Hello guys. In a real SOC job, you will deal with hundreds of alerts every day. But how do you know which ones are real and which ones are false alarms? Let me show you the difference with the simplest explanations possible. Let's say you have a smart security camera at home. It can send alerts if something unusual happens. Now, let's look at four simple cases. What is true positive, what is false positive, what is true negative, what is false negative. So, we'll go with first true positive. In true positive, a thief enters your house. So, your camera sees it and send an alert. That's the true positive, real threat, and the alert work. Okay, so here true positive equal to real threat and really worked. So now we can see false post. In your home, your pet is walks by, and the camera thinks it's a thief. It send an alert, but there is no threat. That's a false positive. So this is called false alarm. So false positive equal to false alarm. Now we can see true negative. True negative means nothing happens, no thief, no movement, the camera stays silent. That's the true negative. That means, let's say no threat, no alert. That's correct, right? So true negative equal to no threat, no alarm. Now we can see about false negative. A thief comes in, but the camera misses it. No alert is sent. That's the false negative. Real danger, but no detection. So false negative to real threat plus no alert. In cyber security, it's just like that camera. Security tools tries alerts when they detect something suspicious. So in true positive, attack happened, alert was worked, and false positive, no attack, alert was raised. So we can close it as false positive. True negative means there is no attack, so there is no alarm. False negative means attack was happened, but there is no alert. This is very dangerous. So that's it guys. Your alert can be right or wrong, just like your camera. In cyber security, we try to reduce false positives so we don't waste time and avoid false negatives so we don't miss real attacks. In my next video, I'll show you a real attack example where this actually happens inside a SOC, and mostly I'll post cyber kill chain also. So initially I'm starting with theory classes so that every beginner should know how it will work before we do hands-on experience. So now you know the difference between true positive, false positive, true negative and false negative. Remember in cybersecurity, it's not just about detecting threats. It's about detecting them accurately. So if you are ready to learn cybersecurity step by step, hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you on the next video.